because they have more power to deliver. So it means the terminals have to be bigger, right? So the terminals are a little smaller, but look at the terminals on this one, they're heavier. So this is a 75 amp. So this might be used something to turn on start. So on our starter circuits, we're going to use starter relays to activate and feed power to my S terminal on the starter to activate it. So what you're going to find is a vehicle don't start like we have that drawing, like the way Vince was showing us in there. What you're going to do is you're going to get your voltmeter and you're going to test it out. Well, if you have a starter relay like this, one of the things that you could do, give me that other red jumper right there. Okay, one of the things you could do is you can go ahead and activate this by getting us to power a relay up, and we can find out if this relay works or not. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to activate this relay. So I'm going to put this is the switch, this is the control, right? On this one, what's the switch?
30.
87A, 87, right? What's the control? 85 and 86, right? Well, on this type of relay, it's the same thing. This is an American style relay. It's the little wires moving a lot of current, right? What does the relay do? A little bit of current move a lot of current. So what we're going to do is we're going to activate it. If it has two terminals, one's the power and one's the ground. In other words, one of the leads of all the wire that's in here is wrapped around here, and then the other lead, the end of the wire comes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my power to there, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my negative. Okay. So and then I'm going to test it, and I can go check it like this. See? Okay. So it works, right? So I'm testing to see if it works. But what I want to know is what is the current that's coming out of it. So if I put this on ohms, right, I can measure across here, connect this meter here, right?
That's what
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to see, right now it's open, right? I activate it, and what does it read? 3.6. Is that a good contact? 0.9. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that a good contact?
0.9? Why is it jumping?
Okay. Is that a good contact?
Yes.
Okay. Was the 1 point something a good contact? No. So what you're going to be doing is you would test it and then check it, and then I'm looking for. Remember what Vince said? What was the voltage drop you should have across the contact? 0.3, right? He said 0.3, 0.5, right? You shouldn't have no more than 0.5. 0.3 is probably the ideal condition. 0.2, very little bit of resistance should be found between those two contacts. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that's all of you that did that knew what the heck you're doing. Anybody that didn't do that didn't know how to test the relay.
I didn't know how to test it then because I did the switch part. But, I mean, you said this part right here is your control.
This is the control.
See, I got it back. I thought that was a switch part.
Exactly like I told you.
Yeah.
Same thing with this, right? If I was going to test this relay, I'm going to go like that too. I'm going to go. Oh man, well, give me another one. This is one of those. Yeah. No, over there. Look in the end over there. Look further on the table. There's a bunch of relays.